The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for TLT, and I was expecting prices to continue higher, but I can see a very good reason why it did not, and I'll go over that right now. So basically, prices were previously inside of this uptrend, and when we have an uptrend, we get a break of it, we can expect 2 attempts at a new high. And you can see this was the first attempt right here. We pulled back and we just made the second attempt. So the second attempt could not break through this resistance level right here at the range highs. You can see they were clearly finding resistance right around this 109 level, and we're finding support right around this 99 level. So it's pretty much a 10-point range. You can see that we're pretty much having a triple top occur. So this is the first high, this is the second high, and this is the third high. So right now we're seeing a triple top. But is this a place to go short? Probably not, because there's a possibility for prices to break out higher. And I'll go over that right now. Let's go and change this to orange. So right now prices are attempting to reach this measure move target. So this is the first attempt higher, or first impulse. This could be the second large impulse. So it's usually going to be after a two-legged correction down for an uptrend, and we are currently in the formation of reaching this measure move target. So basically, the longs are just working through the orders, the sell orders right at this resistance level. So that's why it's probably not a good idea to go short up here, because we can still probably see the breakout to the upside. But let's just say we don't see that breakout to the upside. Well, then you want to see prices fail to go higher. So some type of pattern like this would be a short opportunity, because prices try to go up multiple times, it failed, and probably gonna see a drop down back to the lows of the range. As right now, we could still break up higher even though we're at the highs of the range. If we're in a range, we go from the highs to the lows and the lows to the highs. So we are at the highs, so why don't we just go to the lows right now? It's because we have this market structure in play currently, a two-legged market structure. This was the first leg higher, this is the second leg. So currently you would potentially be going short from this measure move being reached. So what if we just drop down a little bit and then we finally move higher? So that's what I'm saying. We need to see the market fail to go up 2 times while also dropping. This is pretty much the structure you want to see right here for prices to go lower. Now let's say we don't get that. Let's say we just see something like this. We see a slight pullback, maybe something like this. Then there's a good chance we break out this level and potentially reach this measure move target. So it depends on what the market wants to do, but the reason we have not broken out yet is because we're finding heavy resistance right around this 109 level. So if you are long at the lows over here, you probably want to take your entire position right here off the table, or most of it, because you can't just expect a level just to be shot right through and pretend it's invisible, because it's clearly resistance here. Most of the time prices are going to be bouncing from levels. It's not going to just break it and just push right through it. We're going to find resistance, at least temporary. So it looks like some traders are going to be trying to hold on to their position for this measure move target. They got to ride through this correction right here. We'll see if they were right or wrong, but either way, we did find resistance there. We can still get a breakout. I'd be still thinking we can, but if we see that short pattern occur, or the long trap occur, then we can see that drop down. As right now, that did not occur. It still looks like the longs can still get that push higher to that measure move target, which is right around the, I believe it was right around the 115, 116 level. And I'll do it again on the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart. Even though I see higher prices, the macro structure is still down, because this downtrend channel right here had its first break. So normally we get 2 attempts at a new low. So we did get 2 attempts right here. This was the first attempt, second attempt, and it failed to reach the new low, and we reversed. However, if we see a leg higher, then we could see 2 large attempts down. So right now we saw 2 small attempts. We can still get 2 large attempts down. So basically we can either start going down right now because we failed potentially fail to reach that measurable target. We'll see what it plays out on the short-term structure, which is the daily chart. So again, are we going to reach this measurable target or not? I don't know for sure. Let's see what the market wants to do in this little pullback that we're seeing. If it's very weak, then we can probably see a breakout. If it's strong and we see a long trap occur, then we're going to see the market move down towards this lows. Or we can break out to the measurable target at the 115, 116 level, and then go back down to the lows. Either way, I would be still expecting something like this to occur. If we just, see a punch out, in a huge rally, then obviously traders are probably not going to be looking for shorts anymore. They're only looking for shorts because we just had a breakout of this channel, and most breakouts will fail. And right now, the buy still is down, so most traders are going to be looking for shorts, or the smart traders will be. Now, traders don't care if the market goes up or down. They just want the market to move. So let's just say, we don't ever go down again, or it doesn't look like, shorts are setting up. Then they're going to start looking for longs, and they're going to be buying every pullback. As right now, they're not really buying any pullback. They're not going to be, seriously trying to take a long right here. They're going to get the bigger moves towards the downside. So they're going to be looking for longs to get trapped. Longs could get trapped fairly shortly. Right now, we got to see the setup occur. If we see the breakout occur, then there's a good chance that probably fails too, because most breakouts fail. We had a breakout of the channel, a breakout of this range. So a lot of breakouts that can fail. So there's a very good chance we probably see that drop down, even if we see the measure move being reached. But other than that, I don't see any more upside for TLT as right now. I can't say we're going to reach the 147 level or even the all-time highs right now. I don't see it on the chart. I got to go with the structure that I'm seeing right now. I can't just draw like a random big arrow, on the chart and say, hey, we can do something like this. Well, we can do anything, but I'm looking at the structure, going based on what normally occurs. We found resistance at a previous resistance level, so we can't just ignore that. So if it sets up as a long trap, we're going to see a drop down to the lows, or even all-time or the lows of this downtrend channel. If we see a short trap, just a small pullback, we still can be reaching this measurable target at the 116 level. We just hit resistance. Traders are also not sure. Other traders are not sure what can go on. You can see we're seeing this consolidation occur. This kind of like sideways action, so they're not sure either which one the market wants to do. But once they see the setup, then they know which way the market wants to go, and then they'll start jumping in. As right now, it can go either way. I would be leaning probably towards the upside, but again, the downward bias is still there. Even if we do see a breakout to the upside, there's a good chance we see a flush down. So that's all I have for TLT this week. Let's see next week if we get that setup to the long or short side, and then we'll have a more confident direction of which way the market wants to go. Either way, right now it can go either way. I'm expecting upside just a little bit more, but overall, even in the long term, medium to long term, there's a good chance it continues to go down. So that's all I have for TLT this week, Saturday, and I'll probably give you guys an update next week, Saturday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.